In other news tonight, the country's Attorney General is again stressing that swift justice is working. She highlighted its success with our Janaea Noel Ferguson.
General and Minister of Legal Affairs, Senator the Honorable Allison Maynard Gibson, touting the success of government in implementing the Swift Justice Program. But she says despite being able to reduce the backlog of cases, add additional criminal courts, and also expand the jury pool, there's still more work to be done.
Milestones have been accomplished and they are being implemented, which is why we've been able to see things like doubling of the conviction rates. So we have 10 criminal courts now operating because we have 4 more courts, criminal courts. We have heard in 2015 112 more cases than we heard in 2012. Our VBI days are down. Our new jury system, technology in all of the courts. The citizens will have to be prepared to say, listen, I'm happy that there's a new jury system and that if I give 2 months to be a juror, I won't be called again for 2 or 3 years. So as we embrace the importance of justice being seen to be done in our country at all levels, we as citizens have to fully buy in.
Recognizing that the participation of citizens plays a major role in the judicial system, the Attorney General noted that witness intimidation remains a challenge.
And this is what our witness care program is doing, is staying in touch with our witnesses from the time that a charge is proffered and from arraignment. So our witnesses we would like to be in touch with them every 2 months. We would like a situation where a witness says, stop calling me, you're calling me too much, and so fully engage with witnesses so that if in the event that they are improperly approached, they will reach out and say, I need you to know that I was improperly approached, and that is an offense. We've prosecuted people for improperly approaching witnesses.
She also shot back at Senator the Honorable Rodney Monker, who suggested in the Senate on Monday that Bahamian people were being stripped of their right of a trial by jury.
Complete and utter nonsense. I mean, I don't know who's advising him, but all I can say is that person or those people are mischief makers. The law is very clear about, in our Constitution, the right to a trial by jury, and that there's only one way that it can be changed. All that law does, as I said yesterday in the Senate, is make it very clear legislatively the custom that has been followed in time immemorial in the use of VBIs, and that is it is the Attorney General in serious matters that decides whether a matter will proceed to the trial by jury by way of a VBI or not.
And while the success within the legal system is significant, the Minister of Legal Affairs said it's only a start in fixing a system that has been broken for years.
With working with all of the stakeholders, the people in the AG's office and others, we have made tremendous progress. There's a lot more to be done. There's still the reality that enough people are not feeling the successes that we have statistics to show these successes. But until enough people feel it, we've not done enough. And so there's a lot more to do. But I'm very grateful, now don't get me wrong, for the progress that we've made, tremendous progress. We have fixed the system that was broken, and now we're moving forward.
Janaea Noel Ferguson, ZNS Network News.